Before we go any further, we need to first install an IDE here, because you can see things are becoming difficult to write in the console. So for that, you need to open up any browser that you have installed. For that, you just need to open the browser you have installed, open a new tab, and you can just search VS Code download. Now you need to make sure you open up the real link, which is code.visualstudio.com download. And then from this page, you can download whichever operating system you are using. If you are on Windows, you need to download the Windows VS Code. If you are Linux, you can use that. And if you're on Mac, you can download the VS Code for Mac. After you have downloaded, just open that file and follow the steps to install it. Once everything is installed, you can open the IDE and start writing code. So when you're going to install the VS Code and open it for the first time, you will see this welcome screen. You may not have the recent projects because it might be a new IDE for your system. But what you can do is on the left side of your screen, you can see add a folder, and you can click on this button and create a folder wherever you need to create that folder in your system. So I have created a folder named code on my desktop, and inside I'm just going to create a new file. And you can just click this button, name the file index.html. Now inside this file, just write exclamation mark and hit tab, and you will see the basic structure of HTML. Now the only thing we need to add here is inside the body, we need to just add a script tag. So I'm gonna type script, and I'm gonna set this source, and you can see we have the AI enabled, and that is why I'm getting this auto filled, but you can turn it off in the settings. So I'm just gonna name my script file as script.js, and now we need to create this file in this same exact folder. So go above new file, script.js, and let's just simply do console.log and here hello world. Now inside this HTML file, I'm also going to add a heading, and in that heading I'm just going to write my name. Now in order to open this file and see our script is running, we just need to right click on our HTML file, copy the path. So you can see I've copy pasted the path, and this is our file. So we can see the heading, and our console log is also working. Now let's dive into objects and arrays.